What we're doing now is we're drilling a few holes in this bottom piece of metal that goes in the bale chamber to help hold the plastic on inside the bale chute, so that when the hay comes into the bale chamber and out, it doesn't cause as much wear to the baler, hopefully prolonging its life and making it so we can use it for another year or two before we have to buy a new one, hopefully. Now what we're doing is we're installing a moisture meter sensor, which somehow shoots electricity through the hay, and I believe the resistance between the 2 points tells the smarts in the controller thingy that you have X amount of moisture, and then that tells it to the monitor inside the tractor that you have 15% moisture, or whatever moisture your hay is currently, or in that flake, not currently. Now we're putting in a grease gun lube kit thingy from Agco, where it's basically just a hand pump grease gun with a bunch of tubes and like fittings, so you take out all the zerks on the knotters, and there's like a bajillion on the knotters, and sometimes you forget them or you get grease all over them instead of inside where the grease should be, and that just collects dust. And so you have a bunch of tubes and fittings, so you just pump it 5-10 times, and then each one gets enough grease, and you just do that every 200 bales. This worked out amazingly. Highly, highly recommended if you have this kind of baler. Or any baler. Just find a kit and do it. So much time saved, so much hassle. Do it.